with video animation RDR technology, which produces stunning studio-quality video animation. It is easy to create your next video animation. Step 1. Choose animation. Select from 50 Pro templates. Step 2. Customize. Add logo, audio, and colors depending on a template. Step 3. Generate. Export video to your computer. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Stop paying for expensive software and unreliable freelancers. But why is it that to make stunning animations you need expensive and complicated software that takes months to learn? Or even worse, hire an outsourcer and pay hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for just one video animation. Vidicious features 50 pre-done templates that are fully customizable with your logo and audio, with most coming also with colors customization. Access to over a million royalty-free images. 100 impactful music tracks to flood your video with energy. 100 full HD background videos. With 2 amazing license options, you can take any video and animate it in 3 simple steps. Proven to help you increase engagement, generate more leads and boost sales. Listen, regardless if you want stunning intros, converting outros, fascinating logo stings animations, or engagement boosting social animations, Vidicious can do it for you. Vidicious comes with everything you need to get started in creating eye-catching, jaw-dropping, attention-getting video animations in seconds. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. And after that, just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below, then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.